Folks, welcome back to another episode. Today we got ourselves a Razer Orochi V2. This is the white version that I bought. It is supposedly one of the slightest gaming mouse out there. Now, the special thing about this mouse that you may not notice is that it has Bluetooth and 2.4 gigahertz wireless. Yeah, so mouses that has this, essentially you can hook it up to two systems and seamlessly switch between them. So in my use case, what I do is I would use the included dongle here, plug it into my PC, play some games on there, and then I would hook up the Bluetooth to my Mac and flip it over to Bluetooth when I'm ready to use it on my Mac. Switch it back to 2.4 gigahertz whenever I'm ready to use my PC. That's one of the main selling point of this, is that it can switch seamlessly. The other thing about this mouse that you may not notice is the fact that you can use a AA battery or a AAA battery. Yep. So it doesn't matter what battery you have laying around, no longer do you have to buy specific batteries for your mouse. You can just pop in a AAA if you find one laying around, and it will still work just fine. Now obviously, this is geared towards a gamer that likes his mouse really light. Let's just do a little scale test. So here I have a scale, and I usually have a AA battery because that's what I have laying around. So with a AA battery, it's 82 grams. If I were to use my super light mouse from Steelseries, this is 81 grams. So almost the same weight as the Steelseries mouse. But now, if I take this out and put in a AAA battery, and then obviously I would need my dongle to play the games with, so I'll take that out. Now let's put that back on there. Now you're looking at 69 grams. A lot lighter than the Steelseries 81 grams. Both of these are marketed as a lightweight mouse that you can use for gaming. Well, now you have a lightweight mouse that you can carry around with you. It doesn't matter if you have AAA or AA battery. The thing is, you can't use both on here. It won't fit both. It won't fit both. If you've used any other Razer's mouse, you know their optical switch is amazing. I have no complaints there. The scroll wheels has a little click to it. Silent click, I would say. But you can see it right there in my hand. The clicks are there. So that's very nice. It's smooth. The rubber feels good on it when you're scrolling. My hand do cover the entire mouse when it's on the desk, versus something like this. There's still some room left. Last but not least, I want to mention that the battery on this, the battery will last you a crazy 950 hours. Obviously that would be with the bigger battery, the AA battery, but I can't imagine playing games for 950 hours. Okay, yes, I can imagine doing that, but the reason why they're able to achieve that is because there are no lights or anything on here. Literally, the only light that you can see is the little LED indicator right here. That's it. The logo doesn't light up or anything like that. It's just purely a gaming mouse, light gaming mouse. Yep, 950 hours. Amazing. You get yourself a great optical switch, super light mouse that you can swap out, AA or AAA. And then at the same time, you can use two devices on this because one will use Bluetooth and the other one will use the dongle. Amazing. Well, guys, that's it for me right there. That is the Razer Orochi V2 white version. Have a good one.